This is our Sunjoe electric pressure washer. Really nice pressure washer. A lot better than I thought it would work actually. With all being electric, you hook up the hose here. This goes to the wand. When you use it, you want to make sure this is tight. Right there. Make sure you keep that really tight. Turn that on to add the pressure. Here's the plug in here. Here's all the pressure on tips to put on the wine. It's 3 of them. It's pretty nice. You're gonna have to test them out. Sorry, do this one-handed. Different levels, so you're gonna have to test those out and see which type of pressure you like. Put the cleaner in there. I use this a lot on my vinyl fence because it gets dirty after I cut the grass. Excuse the mess here in my basement, but yeah, I highly recommend it. Sunjoe pressure washer.